Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the directional light to light up your scenes in ThreeJS. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So as you can see over here, this is the output. Ignore this thing. This is the directional light helper, which actually helps us to know from where exactly is the directional light coming. I'll just comment this out, and here you can see now this is the output. Now the output might look a little bit dull to you because typically you use directional light in conjunction with other lights. So suppose I will quickly uncomment this out, ambient light as well, and if I save it, here you can see the output looks much better and different. So yeah, use however it makes sense to it. I'll just comment out this ambient light. So let's see. So first I'm using Vite, and I have just ran this command to create a simple HTML, CSS and TypeScript project, but you can use whatever framework you want to. Then inside package.json I have just installed 3 which is for ThreeJS, and inside dev dependency I have installed type/3 which helps us for TypeScript support of ThreeJS. Then inside index.html I have just added one canvas of id canvas. Style position is fixed, top left is 0, outline is none, and here we are just referencing our TypeScript file inside HTML. Now if I go to TypeScript file, firstly these are all the imports, so in case if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports. Then I have created one, we are getting hold of our canvas element. I have created one scene. Then this is the directional light. So this is the color for it, this is the intensity of it, and here you can set the position for it as well. And this directional light helper can help you to understand where exactly your light is projecting from. So if I go back, here you can see this is how the light is projecting, and okay, these are other lights. Again, if you want, you can just play around with other lights as well. And here I am creating one mesh standard material. I have applied some roughness to it. Then I have created few mesh like sphere, cube, torus and plane. I have added it to the scene. Then we are getting hold of the width and height of the screen. I have created one perspective camera, added it to our scene. Then created one orbit controls as well. Then here we have created WebGL renderer passing our canvas. Then I have set the size for our renderer. Then on resize we are just updating camera as well as our renderer, and on double click I am either entering or exiting full screen mode. Then here I have created one clock, and on tick of it we are just rendering our scene. Now you don't have to use this if you don't want this tick, because this is called every frame per second, so you can just remove it as well, but make sure you just copy this code and paste it over here. Rest everything you can remove if you want to. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can apply directional light to a scene in ThreeJS. Thank you for watching. Bye.